The information in this episode is current as of the date recorded and is not intended as financial, tax, or legal advice. You should consult your tax, financial, and/or legal advisors before implementing any transactions and/or strategies concerning your finances.
Well, hello, my name is Lyndsey Payne, and I am an advisor here at our John G. Ullman Associates Corning location up here in upstate New York. Welcome to this recording. I'm so excited you're here, where I'm going to cover a little more in depth on a recent article that I wrote called The Future of Financial Planning. So what does the future of financial planning look like? Well, this can mean a lot to you depending on what stage you're at in your life currently. The future of technology and evolution has sparked a new option in the financial planning industry known as robo-advising. And what is robo-advising, you might ask? Well, a robo-advisor is an automated investment platform that leverages AI and algorithms to create and manage your investment portfolio. Oftentimes, this platform will start with a questionnaire to help you gather information about you online and what your preferences are in regards to asset allocation and how risky you might want to be with your investments. But then these tools use the software to create that diversified portfolio, help you rebalance automatically here and there, and really strive for optimizing for that tax efficiency. And this can often cost lower than your traditional human advisor. I like to use the example here that robo-advising is often like the early stages of your financial growth. When you're just started to build your wealth over time, you might handle your tax return on your own each year. However, as finances become more complex over time, working with a financial advisor and an accountant can help ensure that you're maximizing all of those available strategies once your situation becomes more complex. This set it and forget it approach, so to speak, of robo-advising, it might work well for you if you're straightforward with your financial needs. However, individuals that we see face more complex situations might require a deeper, more personalized guidance as you start to develop your wealth and grow over time. So what else? Why might I consider a human financial advisor over a robo-advisor? Well, the big argument here is individuals facing that more complex financial situation might require the deeper personalized guidance. If you already have a financial advisor, a robo-advisor platform would need to develop a much more comprehensive understanding of your personal circumstances before fully replacing that relationship. You might be asking deeper questions like, how much risk should I take with my investments? Can I retire comfortably? What should my overall asset allocation be? Yet, if your definition of risk evolves over time, these questions might demand more than just that algorithm calculation that robo-advisor does in the background. This requires a much deeper understanding of you and your personal balance sheet in order to create a strategy that is tailored to you. Other planning opportunities that your traditional financial advisor would help with is all of the things in that financial planning wheel. If you think of the wheel, you think of tax, ensuring that tax loss harvesting opportunities and maximizing those Roth conversions during lower tax bracket years. Maybe it's the estate planning side where you need help with your legacy and where you're leaving your wealth and your home to. Maybe you need help getting a will, a healthcare proxy, a power of attorney in place. Maybe you just have some questions, very basic level, about a trust, and you want to get with your advisor and then work with an attorney that you have. Maybe it's the insurance side where you want to review your property and casualty insurance, or you want to talk about the logistics between whole life and term life and what that looks like and what it means to you. Maybe it's your employee benefits, your healthcare, Medicare, or it's retirement. Are you retiring early and going off onto your retiree health insurance package where your employer is going to get you to Medicare, or maybe you need help signing up for Medicare and learning what that means financially, but for you emotionally and what's right for you. Or maybe if we think back to the investments from the beginning of this video, it's about making decisions and getting perspective from your human advisor during difficult market times. During those difficult market times, your robo-advisor might, like I said earlier, reallocate and regroup automatically for you, but in order to hear the decisions behind it, it's best to have a human advisor. Or maybe it's just family dynamics and the psychology behind money and around how you spend your money. All of these decisions are what you would make with the guidance of a human financial advisor. So if I can leave you on one final short note today, I like the analogy where a robo-advisor is kind of like a GPS. It's great for a straight path, but if the road gets bumpy, you may want a seasoned navigator in that seat next to you. And that's where your traditional financial advisor comes in.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future updates. Looking for more insights like this? Head over to our website at jgua.com for additional resources. And if you'd like to talk about your personal financial goals, we'd love to help. Just click the Schedule a Meeting button highlighted on your screen to book your complimentary consultation. Thanks again for joining us. We'll see you in the next video.